Under your side.
Going downwind, shoot right at it.
Alright.
You little fucker. Right there.
Yep.
My track star's gonna have to run. Still
Feels good.
Still there?
Yeah, he's got him. I gotta show these boys how to tackle a deer. Shoulder down, lean into it.
Cover your face.
Yeah.
Just in case. You'd rather have it go through your hand than your fucking eyeball.
Yeah, wear sunglasses. Yeah,
that was 5, 6, 7. Let's fucking catch another fucking...
There was like 5 more at the windmill too. Probably catch it up to 10.
I think you're right. Kind of going into wind.
Okay.